Hello folks, welcome. I'm your host Amit, and today we are going to discuss to search in insert position. So given an array and a target, we need to figure out like at which position of this array this target would be inserted. So let's explore it. Okay, and also it's mentioned that order of log n, so we won't go for a linear search, but probably we would need to go for a binary search. And let's also take care of boundary cases. So one of the boundary cases could be if the target position is extreme left, and in that case what we should return, 0. And another extreme case could be the target is on the extreme right, and if it is in the extreme right, then we would need to return if it is like n size array, we would need to return n because the last element position would be n-1th. Okay, so with this input, let's try to solve this problem. So let's create a left for a left position for a binary search with initialize with 0 as left position, and right we would initialize with like this element. Okay, so right we would initialize with the nums dot length -1. Okay, now we would find a mid position. So for now, let's say initialize mid with 0. Okay, so that we don't need to initialize it. Let's start a while loop, and in this while loop we would have a left. Okay, we would run it till left is less than equal to right. Why less than equal to? Because if it is extreme right, then probably left would be just after right. So yeah, so that's the intuition. So mid would be left plus right minus left by 2. So this right minus left by 2 because we would not fall into that trap of out of bounds integer value get out of the maximum integer. So this would avoid that. Okay, so if nums of mid, okay, let's say if we exactly find the target, then we would just return mid. Okay, what would be the other cases? Okay, else if other conditions, if target is less than nums of mid. Okay, in that case we would need to shift see the left arm, and so we would make our right to be mid -1. Okay, else the remaining case, which would be search for the right arm, in which case left would be mid +1. Now if we get out of this, then out of this while loop, we would return left. Okay, why left? Because we have explored till the extreme right of wherever we are, and we don't find that, so that's why we are returning left. Okay, let's try to run it. This is successful. Let's try to submit it. Okay, so we are able to run it 1 millisecond, which is 100% time. Thank you everyone. See you in the next one.